Oh no, is your wardrobe full of the same boring pair of jeans that you never ever ever wear? You're in luck, because today we're going to transform them without sewing a stitch. Hooray!
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
For this super easy no-sew denim embellishing project, all you need are your old jeans, stencils, a plastic-covered piece of cardboard, a bleach-safe container, washable glue stick, a rag, and your bleach. I got my groovy Refashionista sustainable fashion-themed stencils from Stencil Revolution, and I'll put the links below so you can go ahead and get your own recycling symbol, be kind script, and earth. So your first step is to pop that plastic covered piece of cardboard in between the front and the back of the garment that you're going to be embellishing with bleach, so it doesn't leak through to the other side.
Hello, are you enjoying this video? Then why don't you subscribe to the Confessions of a Refashionista channel, follow Sherry on social media, and buy her $3 ebooks. They are packed with fantastic Refashionista tutorials. The link is down below. You can even get a deal with 645 code. That code 645. 645. Okay, you go back and finish the video.
Next, you want to position your stencils exactly where you'd like them to be. Now, this is the first time that I've ever worked with stencils, and I don't have any spray adhesive, so I thought I would do a bit of Refashionista thinking cap magic and use a jumbo washable glue stick from my kiddo and see if that's going to work to hold it down while I do the bleach embellishing. Let's give it a try. Okay, now the moment of truth. I'm going to grab my rag and dip it into the bleach. Now, it's not going to be too wet, just more damp than wet. And then I'm just going to blot the bleach over top of the stencil. Kind of layer it on bit by bit, because I really want to try to keep those lines crisp. Now I'm just going to leave it all set, and hopefully something cool is going to happen. Okay, now it's time for the moment of truth. Time to see if this actually worked. I let it sit overnight, so I'm hoping that was long enough to give some kind of a color change. Well, my lines are definitely not as crisp and clean as they could be, but we actually won't know the true result until the jeans get washed. So I'm going to go pop them in the washing machine and we will see how it comes out. Alrighty, the jeans have now been washed and all of that glue was around there, so I guess using a child-friendly washable glue stick was a really good idea. Not only did it come out of the jeans, but it also was very easy to just wipe off the back of the stencils. Yay! Now, because it's not really crisp, these lines, although I don't mind the faded look, I think I'm going to go ahead and just trace around the outlines with a permanent marker, and we'll see how that looks. So now, as this was my first time ever working with stencils, I think it all came out pretty awesome. And I'm super pleased with the result. And I think I have just created my new favorite pair of thrifting jeans and jeans to wear to swaps.
Subscribe to to the Confessions of a Refashionista channel, follow Sherry on social media, and buy her $3 ebooks. The link is down below.